This problem has two pairs of numbers. First pair of numbers is a year, 2007, and number of 1,000 new gasoline electric hybrid vehicles is 351. Second pair of numbers will be another year, 2009, and corresponding number of 1,000 gasoline electric hybrid vehicles will be 295. So x in this problem will be time in years, but x is not year. X is the number of years past 2007. So first pair of numbers will give us point where x equals number of years after 2007. It's 0 years. And number of vehicles the same, 351. Second pair or second point will be with first coordinate number of years after 2007. In 2009 we had 2 years after 2007, so x value will be 2 and number of cars will be the same, 295. So we have pair of 2 points. We will use these points to find linear equation. But before we will calculate linear equation, we need to find slope of line. Let's call first coordinates x1, y1 and second coordinates x2, y2. Then we need to recall formula for slope. M equals, it will be y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 equals, I plug y2 is 295 minus y1 351, then denominator x2 equals 2, x1 equals 0. Now let's simplify numerator. It will be negative 56. If I simplify denominator, it will be 2. And after simplifying fraction, it will be negative 28. This is the slope of line. Now I need to find the equation of line. To do it, I will use point slope formula. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Y is y, y1 is 351, equals m is the slope we just calculated, negative 28, times x is x, minus x1 is 0. Left side of equation stays the same, it will be y minus 351 equals, on the right side of equation I have x minus 0, which is x, so I have only negative 28x. And just to solve this equation for y, I add 351 to both sides. On the left side of equation I cancel negative 351 with positive 351, it will be only y equals negative 28x plus 351. It will be linear equation describing the relationship between time x and the number of thousand of vehicles y. Question B. Use this equation to predict the number of gasoline-electric hybrid vehicles sold in the year 2014. To find number of cars, we need to determine time x. X is the number of years past 2007. How to find x for this problem? It will be 2014 minus 2007 equals 7. So x equals 7. We plug into equation we calculated in part A. Y equals negative 28 times x, which is 7, plus 351 equals 155. Y equals 155. It will be number of 1,000 of gasoline electric hybrid vehicles will be sold in 2014.